Want to know how to share your chats in Dola AI? So if you want to share your chat to your friend, to anyone regarding your work or regarding your chats, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily share through links and to various apps in Dola AI. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to simply open up your Dola AI website or the app itself. Just simply head towards dola.com on your web browser and you should be here. So once you're there, here should be under chat history. You should be under chat history on the leftmost side. So you need to start up any chat in order to share it. So once you hover on the chat, you should be seeing this 3-dot icon on the right side right here. Just simply click that, and here you should be seeing something known as share below on pick. Just simply select that. So now once you have selected share, here you can see you can either share as an image or copy link. So you can just simply copy link right here, and you can just simply head towards any application like Instagram, WhatsApp, and just simply paste the link right here and then select it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.